All right, for lesson 7, this is actually the problem that we did on the no-show woe paper. So we're going to look at how they're telling us to draw the number line, just like we did, just kind of as a review, but we've already done this problem. I'm going to fill in my numbers. I know that if I'm representing her being 12 years old, well, first she was born over here, and now she's 12 years old, and we want to know 3.5 years ago. So I'm going to place the tail of the arrow on 12, and then I know that I'm going 3.5 back. That's negative. That's to the left. And the length of the arrow needs to be the absolute value. So the length of the arrow is 3.5 units long, but it's going to the left. 1, 2, 3 and a half. Goes right here to 8.5. It's to the left since you're adding a negative number to 12. Great. Make sure you've got that drawn and flip the page. All right, we're going to start here with exercise 5, and we'll come back to this part E later. Exercise 5 says create an equation and number line diagram to model each answer. We're using no show woe for all of these, so I'm actually going to write KSW to the side to make sure that I've done each part. Okay, together we've underlined things like Samantha owes her father $7, so I circled 7. She just got paid $5.50 for babysitting. If she gives that money to her dad, this question is asking how much will she still owe him. So the no part, I'm rewriting some things that I know. I know she owes 7. She got paid $5.50 and she's going to give that to her dad. They want to know how much does she still owe him. Now I'm going to make my plan, my show. I'm going to actually do the work. I know that owes 7 is a negative 7. Got paid $5.50 is a positive $5.50. And they want to know how much she still owes. So that's my plan here, is that I'm taking the negative and adding it to the positive to get whatever this answer is. It also says create a number line diagram for each of these problems. So I'm going to create a number line diagram. We're going to start at negative 7, and we're going to go 5.5 to the right. So negative 7. Okay, just put some numbers on there that I know I'm going to need. I'm going to start at negative 7, and I'm going to go 5.5 to the right because it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.5 lands me right here. In between negative 1 and negative 2 should be negative 1.5. Does this make sense? And did we answer the question? That's what the woe part is. Does this make sense? And did we answer the question? Let's see. Negative 150. The question we're asking is how much does she still owe? So she still owes her dad a certain amount of money. When you owe money, we describe that as negative. we wouldn't say she owes her dad negative $1.50. That doesn't make sense. She owes her dad $1.50, so the money that she has is negative money because she's actually missing money that should go to her dad. That's why we made the negative 7 over here, because she owes $7. So she has negative 7. She got $5.50, so now she has negative 1.5, which means she owes her dad $1.50. I'm going to box my answer. Does this make sense for her to have owed her dad $7, gave him $5.50, and now she only owes $1.50? Yeah, that makes sense. Did we answer the question? We were supposed to do an equation, which we did. This is an equation. And we did a number line right here. And we did a complete sentence. So yes. Now we're going to work on this one. I'm going to get you started, and then you're going to do it on your own. You need to have know, show, whoa. On know, you're going to start out with what are the numbers and what do they mean? Just like we did up here, 07 got paid $5.50. How much do I still owe? You need to have what do these numbers mean and what is the question asking? On the show, you need to tell me what you're going to do and you need to do it. On the whoa, you need to ask yourself, does this make sense? And did I answer the question?